what are the prices for Token Metrics? So you can go to tokenmetrics.com/pricing, and we have the pricing there. Let me pull this up on my screen. Okay, yeah, so most of our customers join the yearly plan. So we have the hodler plan, which is $360 a year. The investor plan is $900 a year. Professional plan is $3,600 a year. You basically get 3 months free by joining the yearly plan. We also do have the monthly plan, but most people join the yearly plan. Monthly plan, you're basically paying more. But yeah, that's basically it. But definitely, we want to have you on board as a customer and have you join the crypto family, regardless of whatever plan you take.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.